Good morning everyone. I've got another unboxing. I wasn't quite expecting to do one so soon. As you can see, it's from Prism Diamond Art. Basically I've ordered this as a replacement, my original unboxing of what I was planning on doing for a friend. I was really unhappy with the quality. I went back to the seller. They offered to send it out to me again. They haven't actually sent out a replacement that they promised that they would. But at the same time as I ordered that one, I actually ordered this with Prism. And a friend of mine's recently had a custom done with them, and it was really good. So I've got really high hopes on this. But I think there may actually be 2 diamond paintings in here, because they were also having a UK stock sale at the time. So I thought I would take advantage of that. But we shall have to see what is in here, if I can work out how to get into the box. I'm sorry if I still sound a little bit croaky, and you can probably hear that my daughter is playing Bluey in the background. Otherwise I definitely wouldn't be able to do a video in the day. Okay, one great big box. Opening this package will cause extreme happiness. Oh, I like that. So I hope everyone's doing really well. I'm doing a lot better than I was. Exciting. Oh my goodness. Right, we'll do these one at a time, obviously. Okay. Colours look amazing as well. It looks really clear. I can't see any problems with any symbols. It looks very clear. And obviously, due to the fact that it's poured glue, I've not got any of the problems that I had when I ordered from that other company. Very tacky, which is what we like. So I am super impressed, and fingers crossed I can actually get this done by Christmas. So but yeah, very pleased with this, very. So beads. That's a good point. Actually, have a look at the, just seeing if there's any weird symbols, you know. All looks pretty straightforward, you know, a lot of letters, which is always nice. My favourite thing to do when getting a diamond painting is getting out how many of each diamond are in the pack and finding out which one's the biggest. And for once it's not 310. So we have 3,637 of one of the greens, 4,000 of another one of the greens, another 3,000 of that one, lots of green. Diamonds look really nice, so I will have to send you guys updates on how I'm coming along with this and see how I get on. But yes, like I was saying, this has been done for a friend of mine, and I'm really hoping to get it done as a Christmas present, because her birthday's not till September, so that'll be a very long wait. Okay, and the other one, oh, she is beautiful. I don't know how much you can see. This one's a square. Again, very happy with the quality. There's no symbols that are difficult to see, which is very important. But yeah, very pleased with that. Okay, let's have a look at this. What size is this one? Can't actually see what size this one is. Oh, 50 by 70. Okay. Oh, only 35 colours. See, not far off. This one's got 5,400 of the 310 and 6,000 of the 154, which I know is like a burgundy sort of colour. Again, I love my squares. They do look really good quality as well. This one was just bought as one for me to do, and she looks great. Comes with a little kit. I always like to see the kits anyway. Ooh. But yeah, this is the first time I'm... the wax is in like a little sealed container. Oh, yellow wax. Normal standard pen, but blue, and a tiny little blue boat. I will probably be using my own trays and pens, possibly tweezers, while I do these. But all in all, really pleased with the quality. So that is all for today, and I will catch you guys very soon. But yes, very super impressed with this. Right, I'll put links in the description, and I will catch everyone soon. Take care and look after yourselves. Bye.